So there currently there is no data and no table populated in sheet 1, which is inputs. Let me enter the data. Yes, there is an additional filter with yes and no in every entry as you requested. The request was to generate auto table on all three sheets with all the formulas and all the formattings. The Let me enter these values here. See, three values for the container types entered, and you can see updated table here. The tables are auto populated and 100% dynamic. So if you will make any change here, you can see if you will delete table number 3, the table 3 will be deleted. If you will delete table 2, the table 2 will be deleted. Okay, so let me regenerate those. You can generate as many as 10 as requested. Let me enter some random values here. Okay, so this is for sheet 1. Now for the sheet 2, after updating these fields, as you see, this is 100% dynamic and you need it to populate for the fields entered in input sheet. So once you press this button, all the relevant tables will be generated with all the relevant fields. So here you can enter your values. Let me enter some random values. So whenever you press this button update, the table will be reset and you have to enter these values again, because when you will change the fields, for example if you will change the load port, there are currently 3 load ports, right? So if you will update these, update that, this will change, so these values will get null and void. So every time you update this, I'll suggest you to first update all these and then go to the shipping field. Once the fields update populated manually, sorry, then press this button update and then fill the field manual fields accordingly. After filling the fields, if you will press update, this will all become reset. As I defined earlier, that once you change these fields, let me change this so that you can get the exact idea. Let me add another load port. Now you can see I have entered the values for this setting to Shanghai, to Busan, and to Mumbai. So the value on this field is relevant to Shanghai and Fermental, right? Once I'll update this, you can see on this cell. Now this has become Karachi, so these values become null and void. So you have to first generate this and then enter the and then enter the values here. Similar for this, you can press this button and then enter your fields accordingly, right?